What's up, YouTube? Sticky Side down here. Another beautiful day. Too bad it's work day. But today is my Friday. Pretty stoked. And I actually have all day Friday off and Saturday to go ride, do whatever. What do we got? What's going on with that super long extended swing arm? Can't really see around these guys. I don't know if anybody's turning or going straight. Hectic getting all these roads cut up so they can get the sensors in for these lights finally. I don't like it that it's gonna have lights, but it will keep the traffic down because it gets pretty bad around here. Oh, come on, go, dude! You had plenty of time. Jeez. Guy had plenty of time to go. I don't know why people just take forever to take off from a stop. They're like a half a mile down the road and they still gotta sit there and wait for that very last car to go. Cause so many problems. It's one of the reasons why they're sticking that stoplight there in the first place. Trying to get out of the apartment complex, and people will literally wait until there is no traffic whatsoever coming from both lanes before they go, instead of having that little bit of room that they could go if they actually got on it, or, you know, took off a little bit faster than they normally would from a stop sign or a stoplight. Lady, that's clearly not the direction you're supposed to be turning right there. It's so frustrating. People come around, they'll wait at a stoplight or stop sign until there's no traffic. Hello, Popo. Instead of taking the opportunity to go when they can and just getting in the lane that they want a little bit later. But no, they'll wait until their lane is clear and the lane before and after. It's like, it's stupid. You're crossing 2 lanes of traffic, so you got, obviously you have to wait till those are clear, and then you're going to turn into 2 lanes of traffic. But let's just say the lane you want is the far lane. Instead of getting into the near lane when it's clear of traffic like you should and then merge over, people will literally wait until the near lane is completely clear of traffic and the far lane before they get over, because that's the lane they want to be in. That's not how traffic works. If you read the rules of the road correctly and understand it, you can go if your lane is clear and the traffic that is coming is not making any indication of merging over into the near lane. And then once you get in the lane that you didn't really want to be in, but it was empty of traffic, then you put on your blinker and adjust your speed accordingly and merge into the lane you want. Not wait 20 minutes because the lane you want still has a lot of traffic, but the near lane has been empty for the last 20 minutes. That's not how that works. It's so frustrating. People be sitting there all day waiting for that kind of traffic pattern to lighten up. I mean, come on. When you live in a big city and you have an outrageous amounts of traffic, you have to take the opportunity when it presents yourself, not when one opens up that a freaking turtle can make. You take one when it opens up, and you almost always, you're gonna have to be aggressive when taking off and making your lane changes. Not all the time, but for the most part, when it's heavy traffic or even a little bit of traffic and you clearly have a lane empty, take that lane and then merge over to where you need to be. Now granted, I understand if you're coming out into traffic and 500 feet from where you're coming out into traffic you need to into the far lane. I understand kind of sort of waiting until all lanes are cleared so you can get where you need to be, but not when it's over 1,000 feet in front of you, the lane you need, or just because they seem to be in the way from where you need to go. It's just not how that works. Back at the gym. Just how it goes today.